Hey heroes! I've discovered 16 websites that give you the opportunity to make money online every day with ease. And the best part is that most of these platforms don't require any prior experience or any money to get started. The first in this list is Swagbucks. It's a platform that offers you online surveys and online tasks that you can do to earn money from $10 to $15 a day. As I said, there are different things you can do to earn money. Completing surveys, watching videos, and shopping online are common money-making tasks in this website. That's potentially $300 to $450 extra a month. The next website is called FatFlomo. It's a platform in which you can rent out your items and earn money. You can potentially earn from $30 to $50 a day by renting out some of the unused items you have. It is amazing that you can rent some unused gadgets, tools, or equipment and share it with others for a fee. You could be earning around $900 to $1,500 a month. The next website is VIPKid. It's a website that you can teach English online to Chinese people. By teaching in this platform, you could be earning $14 to $22 an hour, which could mean $140 to $440 a week from just a few hours work daily. The fourth website in this list is Slice2Pie. This is a website where you can review music and get paid for that. By reviewing music, you could be earning $5 to $10 every day, which could mean $150 to $300 extra a month. Maybe you never thought that your honest opinion on new tracks can get you cash. Next in line is Clickworker. This is a website that you can make money online by doing some micro tasks that can make you $5 to $20 to your daily earnings. There are a variety of tasks in these websites like data entry, content creation, or research. And these micro tasks can help you to earn $150 to $600 a month. Now let's go to number 6, which is ThredUp. By using this website, your wardrobe can be your next cash cow. By selling your gently used clothing through ThredUp, you're not only decluttering but also earning. Now here's the exciting part. Let's imagine that you want to send in 10 items and on average each item sells for $20. ThredUp typically offers sellers around 5 to 80% of the selling price, depending on the item's brand, quality, and demand. So if you're on the mid-range and earn 30% on each 20 item, that's roughly $60 back in your pocket for those 10 items. The potential earnings can vary, but this gives you an idea of the money waiting to be made from your closet. Number 7 in this list is Decluttr. This is a platform that you can sell your electronic items that you don't use, and it can offer you an extra $20 to $50 a day, adding up to $600 to $1,500 in a month. There would be a lot of items, electronic items in your home that you may not use anymore, like old gadgets, CDs, DVDs, or books. So by selling them, you can earn money through this website. Number 8 in this list is Just Answer. It's a platform that you can provide expert answers and earn money for them. You could be earning $5 to $30 per answer, potentially $100 to $300 extra weekly. So it's really amazing to know that sharing your expertise with those seeking answers can earn you money. The next item in this list is Rover. It's a platform that you can earn money by offering some pet services. With Rover, you can earn extra $20 to $30 a day. It can be actually a $600 to $900 extra per month. The next website in our list is Userfeel. It's a platform that involves testing websites, and you can earn money by doing so. There's a potential to earn $10 to $20 daily by testing websites, which could mean $300 to $600 a month. So through this website, you will offer the services like assessing the user experience by testing website, which could mean earning money for you. Number 11 in this list is Bellhop Moving. It's a platform in which you can offer moving services to some people who need moving their stuff. These services could help you to earn $30 to $50 an hour, and this can help individuals with their moving tasks, which can be really financially rewarding for you. The next website in this list, number 12, is Turo. It's a platform that you can rent out your car and earn money for that. By doing so, you could potentially be earning $30 to $50 an hour, which could mean $900 to $1,500 a month. If you have an unused car, you can just rent it out and it can be an earning potential for you. Number 13 in this list is Gazelle. It's a website that once again you can sell your unused electronic items. By using this website, you can earn quick profit by selling your unused electronic items. Through this website, you can sell your used mobile phones, tablets, and other electronic devices you have. And there is a fast payment service in this website in the form of a check, PayPal, or an Amazon gift card after the device is received, inspected, and verified. Number 14 in this list is TaskRabbit. It's a platform that you can do microtasks and earn money for them. There are a variety of tasks from everyday errands like grocery shopping, cleaning, and moving assistance to more specialized tasks such as handyman work, furniture assembly, and administrative tasks. TaskRabbit jobs can help you to earn $20 to $30 a day, which could potentially mean $600 to $900 per month. Number 15 in this list is Ruby Lane. It's a platform dedicated to selling vintage and antique items. There are many things you can sell in this platform like antique jewelry, antiques, collectibles, and even art and unique home decor. This website can help you to earn $20 to $50 daily, which could mean $600 to $1,500 a month. The last item in this list is Naver. It's a platform that you can rent out or unused space for storage. There are so many people willing to pay for storage in your unused space, like your spare room or your garage. So by renting your space, you could be earning $5 to $10 daily, which could mean $150 to $300 a month. So this is the end of the video with 16 websites that could transform your daily income. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like and watch the other videos I have put in this channel.